A very common exam type question is when we're given a sequence and we're asked to work out what is the nth term. In other words, what is the formula of that sequence? Now, there are lots of different ways of doing it. This is my preferred method. So all I do is I draw 3 circles. The one thing to remember, in the middle circle is always the value of the letter n. Now, to help us out, what I also like to do, I want to just look at this and notice here, I'm putting here what I call term 0. Okay, now this will be, it'll come clear in a second, because in this box I'm going to put the term to term number, the term to term value, and this box here I'm going to put term 0. Okay, let's see how this works in practice then. So I know that the increase, the term to term here, can you see it's going up? You can see from the work we've done already on sequences, it's going up by a positive 2. So my term to term value goes in there. Okay, my term to term value goes in there. We know that n is always in the middle. Now, I've now got to work out what is my term 0. So if I know it's going up in 2, obviously I've got to subtract 2. So my term 0 would be 1. And now I take that and I put it in there. So actually, the nth term of this particular sequence, the answer would be 2n plus 1. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Okay, let's just have a look. So let's have a look at this one. So we've got 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14, and we want to know what is the nth term. Remember, first thing, 3 circles. What goes in the middle one? Always the value of n. This I'm just going to put here is term to term, and here, remember, is our term 0. So okay, we've got to now work out what is our term to term. Well, you can see straight away our term to term is 3, isn't it? Okay, so that means what would our term 0 be? Well, we've got to subtract 3, so now our term 0, in fact, is minus 1. So then, to work out our nth term value, all we do is we put the term to term number in there, and then we put term 0 in there. So the nth term of this particular sequence is 3n minus 1. And that'll do us for now.